First, let us recite what we learned last week, and then we will start with it, okay? From 15. How much we finished the first week?
From 11.
Oh, 11th. Sorry. Yeah. 10 only we finished. Okay.
No, yeah. Atulam Tatteja Sarvadeva Sharirajam. That one we have finished because
that's right.
Oh.
And the number I didn't want to tell because I think each book the number differs. That is the last one.
So we have to start chanting from Ekastam.
Okay.
No.
Annesham Chaiva Devanam, because we finished up to how from Shankara and
correct. Shankarasya.
Annesham Chaiva Devanam Shakradinam from the 11th, okay?
Correct.
Annesham Chaiva Devanam Shakradinam Sharirataha Nirgadam Sumahat Tejas Tachaikyam Samagachatha Ativa Tejasah Kotam Jvalantamiva Parvatam Dadrushuste Surastatra Jvala Vyapta Digantaram Atulam Tatra Tattejas Sarvadeva Sharirajam Ekastam Tadabhunnari Vyapta Lokatrayam Tvisha Yadabhuchambhavam Tejastena Jayata Tanmukham Yamyena Chabhavan Kesha Bahavo Vishnu Tejasa Saumyena Stanayor Yugmam Madhyam Chaindrena Chabhavat Varunena cha Jangoru Nitambastejasa Bhuvaha Brahmanastejasa Padau Tadangulyorkatejasa Vasunam Chakarangulyah Kauberena Janasika Tasyastu Danta Sambhuta Prajapatyena Tejasa Nayanatritayam Janye Tatha Pavaka Tejasa Bruvau cha Sandhyayos Tejas Shravanavanidasya cha Anyesham Chaiva Devanam Sambhavastejasam Shiva Tatas Samasta Devanam Tejo Rashi Samudbhavam Tam Vilokya Mudam Prabhuramara Mahisharditaha Shulam Shuladvinishkrishya Dadau Tasyai Vinakadruga Chakram cha dattavan Krishna samutpadya svachakratah Shankam cha varuna shaktim dadau tasyai hudashanah Maruto dattavan shapam bhana purne tate shudhi Vajramindra samutpadya Kulishadamaradipaha Dadau tasyai sahasraksho Ghantamairavataghajat Kaladandabhyamodandam Pasham chambupadirdatau Prajapatischakshamalam Dadau brahma kamandalum Samastaroma Kupeshu Nijarashmin Divakaraha Kalascha Dattavan Khadgam Tasyascharmacha Nirmalam Kshirodaschamalam Haram Ajare cha tathambare
अजरे च तथाम्बरे अजरे च तथाम्बरे
क्षीरोदश्चामलं हारमजरे च तथाम्बरे
क्षीरोदश्चामलं हारमजरे च तथाम्बरे क्षीरोदश्चामलं हारमजरे च तथाम्बरे
चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यम्
चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यम् चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यम्
कुण्डले कटकानि च
कुण्डले कटकानि च कुण्डले कटकानि च
चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यम् कुण्डले कटकानि च
चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यं कुण्डले कटकानि च चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यं कुण्डले कटकानि च
क्षीरोदश्चामलं हारमजरे च तथाम्बरे चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यं कुण्डले कटकानि च
क्षीरोदश्चामलं हारमजरे च तथाम्बरे चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यं कुण्डले कटकानि च क्षीरोदश्चामलं हारमजरे च तथाम्बरे चूडामणिं तथा दिव्यं कुण्डले कटकानि च
Kshiroda. Kshira means milky ocean. Everything gives contribution. You know, from the milk ocean only even Mahalakshmi came out. Mahalakshmi came out, Dhanvantari came out. Of course, Hala Vishnu came first. Uchchaisramsa came out, Indrasa. So many good things came out from Milky Ocean. So Milk Ocean gives her necklace of flawless pearls. Ajare ever new, that is haram. So, Kshirodascha amalam haram. Amalam means pure. From the milk ocean, haram, the necklace. Ocean gives only the pearls, so they have mentioned as pearl necklace. Ajare cha tathambare. Ajare means ever new. Ambara means garment, sari or dress that she is wearing. It is ever new, it never fades. Ajare. Ajare means ever new garments it gave. It gives lot of things because they are not, Milky Ocean gives lot of things, no? So like that it also gives lot of things here. Chudamani tatha divyam. Divya means very divine. Chudamani is something that is worn in the head, no? The jewel that is worn in the head. Everybody knows Chudamani because of Mahasita. Mahasita, because she was wearing that Chudamani, no? So, Chudamani, it gives Chudamani for Devi. Kundale katakani cha. Kundalam is earrings. Katakam is the bracelets. So, it is only Kama. The next line also continues because it's a lot of things Milky Ocean gives her. Okay. Ardha Chandram tatha shubhram.
Ardha Chandram tatha shubhram. Ardha Chandram tatha shubhram.
Chandram. Ardha Chandram. Chandram. That is wrong. Chandram. Ardha Chandram tata shubhram.
Ardha Chandram tata shubhram. Ardha Chandram tata shubhram.
Keyuran sarvabahushu.
Keyuran sarvabahushu. Keyuran sarvabahushu.
Ardha Chandram tata shubhram. Keyuran sarvabahushu.
Ardha Chandram tata shubhram. Keyuran sarvabahushu.
सर्वबाहुषु अर्धचन्द्रं तथा शुभ्रं केयूरान् सर्वबाहुषु
नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वत्
नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वद् नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वद्
ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम्
ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम्
नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वत् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम्
नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वद् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम् नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वद् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम्
अर्धचन्द्रं तथा शुभ्रं केयूरान् सर्वबाहुषु नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वत् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम्
अर्धचन्द्रं तथा शुभ्रं केयूरान् सर्वबाहुषु नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वद् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम् अर्धचन्द्रं तथा शुभ्रं केयूरान् सर्वबाहुषु नूपुरौ विमलौ तद्वद् ग्रैवेयकमनुत्तमम्
Ardhachandram tata shubhram. Shubhram means pure, white, faultless, spotless. Ardhachandram is spotless, only the full moon has got spot. Ardhachandram is spotless. Okay, what she is wearing, that Ardhachandram is spotless Ardhachandram she is wearing. That is given by the Milky Ocean. Keyuran Sarva, she has got so many hands now. So Keyuram is the armlet, normally worn. If you see the pictures, you can see the armlets where the deities are wearing for all the hands. It is different. For all the hands, it is Milky Ocean has given. Nupura Vimalau, shining anklets. Vimalau means pure. Vimalau means without any malam, like any spots or any grease or anything. Vimalau, shining anklets. Nupura, okay. Graiveyakam anuttamam. Anuttamam means the most superior. There is nothing incomparable it is. Graiveyakam. Griva means neck, necklace. What is worn in the neck. So the haram is the long one, the one that first it gave, and the necklace also it has given. Graiveyakam anuttamam. Necklace that cannot be compared, incomparable in beauty. Okay? And it is not at over. The next one also continues, because always Milk Ocean has got the habit of giving more. Anguliyakaratnani Samasta Svangulishu cha Anguliyakaratnani Samasta Svangulishu cha
Anguliyakaratnani samasta svangulishu cha Anguliyakaratnani samasta svangulishu cha
Vishvakarma dadau tasyai
Vishvakarma dadau tasyai Vishvakarma
different it is there.
tasyai
Parashum chati nirmalam
Parashum chati nirmalam
Vishvakarma dadau tasyai Parashum chati nirmalam
Vishvakarma dadau tasyai Parashum chati nirmalam Vishvakarma dadau tasyai परशुं चाति निर्मलम्
अङ्गुलीयकरत्नानि समस्तास्वङ्गुलीषु च विश्वकर्मा ददौ तस्यै परशुं चाति निर्मलम्
अङ्गुलीयकरत्नानि समस्तास्वङ्गुलीषु च विश्वकर्मा ददौ तस्यै परशुं चाति निर्मलम् अङ्गुलीयकरत्नानि समस्तास्वङ्गुलीषु च विश्वकर्मा ददौ तस्यै परशुं चाति निर्मलम्.
Not only armlets and the haram and everything for all the fingers. Just imagine 1 second how many hands she has got into 5. For all the fingers, rings, finger rings for all the fingers. Anguliyaka Ratnani. It is gem-studded finger rings Milky Ocean has given. Okay. Now Vishwakarma's turn to give something. Vishwakarma dadau tasya parashum chati nirmala. Parashu means axe. Axe. Parashurama, what he is holding, parashu is axe. Nirmalam, it is gleaming and shining without any spotless. So that kind of a axe, Vishwakarma gives it to her. And he also gives some more things, we will see it later, okay? Astranyaneka rupani.
Astranyaneka rupani. Astranyaneka rupani.
Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam.
Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam.
Astranyaneka rupani. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam.
Astranyaneka rupani. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam. Astranyaneka rupani. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam.
Amlana pankajamalam.
Amlana pankajamalam. Amlana pankajamalam.
Shirasyurasi chaparam.
Shirasyurasi chaparam. Shirasyurasi chaparam.
Amlana pankajamalam. Shirasyurasi chaparam.
Amlana pankajamalam. Shirasyurasi chaparam. Amlana pankajamalam. Shirasyurasi chaparam.
Astranyaneka rupani. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam. Amlana pankajamalam. Shirasyurasi chaparam.
Astranyaneka rupani. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam. Amlana pankajamalam. Shirasyurasi chaparam. Astranyaneka rupani. Tatha bhedyam cha damshanam. Amlana pankajamalam. Shirasyurasi chaparam.
Astranyaneka rupani. Vishwakarma gives her different kind of weapons in all forms, in all shapes and all forms. Aneka rupani. Tata tat abhedyam cha damshanam. Abhedyam means impenetrable. Damshanam is the armor. Normally you can see all the people who go to the battlefield, all the warriors wearing that armor. Abhedyam cha damshanam. Something impenetrable armor that he gives her. And the next one is very interesting. Amlana pankajamala. Amlana means unfaded. Amla means it never fades. Pankajam. Pankajam is lotuses. Ever, never fading. Always, never, it will never get faded. It will always look fresh. That kind of lotus mala, Shiras Urasicha. Urasija is female chest, breast, and Siras is the head. For the head as well as to wear it around her neck as a mala, lotus fresh, ever fresh lotus mala. This is Vishwakarma gives Astra and Damshanam, that is the armor, and the lotus, ever fresh lotus mala for her head. So we understand that she wears a mala in the head also as well as in the neck, around the neck. Okay. Adadajjaladistasyai.
Adadajjaladistasyai.
Pankajam chadi shobhanam.
Pankajam chati shobhanam. Pankajam chati shobhanam.
Adadajjaladistasyai. Pankajam chadi shobhanam.
Adadajjaladistasyai. Pankajam chati shobhanam. Adadajjaladistasyai. Pankajam chati shobhanam.
Himavan vahanam simham.
Himavan vahanam simham. Himavan vahanam simham.
Ratnani vividhani ja.
Ratnani vividhani cha. Ratnani vividhani cha.
Himavan vahanam simham. Ratnani vividhani ja.
Himavan vahanam simham. Ratnani vividhani cha. Himavan vahanam simham. Ratnani vividhani cha.
Adadajjaladistasyai. Pankajam chadi shobhanam. Himavan vahanam simham. Ratnani vividhani ja.
Adadajjaladistasyai. Pankajam chati shobhanam. Himavan vahanam simham. Ratnani vividhani cha. Adadajjaladistasyai. Pankajam chati shobhanam. Himavan vahanam simham. Ratnani vividhani cha.
From she also receives adadha means pankajam, a magnificent lotus. Now we have to imagine like all her hands, what are all the things that she is holding. Lotus is also one of that. So the lotus was given by Vishwakarma. Along with the garland, lotus garlands, he gives a fresh, magnificent lotus also, which she can keep it in her hand. Chati Shobhana, beautiful to grace her hand. Himavan Vahanam, now Himavan's turn to give. Himavan gives Vahanam Simham. Simha Vahanam is given by Himavan. Other than that, he gives her lot of jewels made of different kinds of gemstones. Vividhani, Ratnani, Vividhani cha. Different kinds of gem-studded jewelry he gives to her. Dadavashunyam suraya.
Dadavashunyam suraya. Dadavashunyam suraya.
Panapatram dhanadipaha.
Panapatram dhanadipaha. Panapatram dhanadipaha.
Dadavashunyam suraya. Panapatram dhanadipaha.
ददावशून्यं सुरया पानपात्रं धनाधिपः ददावशून्यं सुरया पानपात्रं धनाधिपः
शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु
शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु
महामणिविभूषितम्
महामणिविभूषितम् महामणिविभूषितम्
शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु महामणिविभूषितम्
शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु महामणिविभूषितम् शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु महामणिविभूषितम्.
I will read the next line also because that describes Seshanaham. Okay. Nagaharam dadau tasyai.
Nagaharam dadau tasyai. Nagaharam dadau tasyai.
Dhatte yaf prithvimimam.
Dhatte yaf prithvimimam. Dhatte yaf prithvimimam.
Nagaharam dadau tasyai. Taddatte yaf prithvimimam.
Nagaharam dadau tasyai. Datte yaf prithvimimam. Nagaharam dadau tasyai. Datte yaf prithvimimam.
Dadavashunyam suraya panapatram dhanadipaha seshascha sarvanageshu mahamani vibhushidam nagaharam dadau tasyai tadatte yaf prithvimimam.
ददावशून्यं सुरया पानपात्रं धनाधिपः शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु महामणिविभूषितम् नागहारं ददौ तस्यै दत्ते यः पृथिवीमिमां ददावशून्यं सुरया पानपात्रं धनाधिपः शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु महामणिविभूषितम् नागहारं ददौ तस्यै धत्ते यः पृथिवीमिमाम्.
Ashoonyam, that never get empty, ever brimming. We can say in two ways. Not getting empty or always brimming with suraya, wine. Always brimming to the tip. The wine brimming to the tip. Panapatram, drinking vessel, which is always full, is never empty. That is given by whom? Dhanadipa, Kuberan gives. Dhana Adhipa, Kuberan gives that. Seshascha Sarvanageshu. Adiseshan is considered to be the Ishwaran of all the Naga. Sarvanaga Isha. He is the Sarvanageshu, the one who is the Lord of all serpents. Sesha, Adisesha. Mahamani Vibhushita. If you see, Mahamani here specifically they have given because it is Nagamani. When the serpents don't bite, their venom turns into a gemstone. They keep it on their head and then they go in search for their food. In the night when they go, because serpents cannot see, only the movement they can see it. They can see the movement, but they cannot literally see. They can only feel the movement. So, normally what happens, the venom, if they don't bite, there are two things very strange about the serpents. One is the venom turning into a gemstone, that is called Mahamani. And the next one is, as they grow older, if they don't bite and this thing, they will be like shrinking in their length. They will become smaller and smaller. Very old snakes, small snakes will be smaller, that's a different thing. Very old snakes, which they don't bite, they also shrink in their size. That is only for academic interest. Okay. So that money, Sesha, Adisesha is giving her. That money, because later in one of the Dhyana slokam it comes again, that she is wearing that mala made with that Mahamani. Nahamani, she is wearing a mala, and the shine of the blue is reflecting in her face, in her body. It is supposed to be so powerful, because it is like, it is mostly blue in color because of the venom. Venom is always dark. So it is mostly blue in color. Not only Adisesha gives her the Mahamani, it also gives her Nagaharam Dadau Tassai, that the very beautiful name they have given for Sesha here. Prithvi Mimam. It's believed that Adisesha is only holding this earth. With his 1,000 heads, somehow he is managing to hold this earth. That is what Shankara says. But somehow he manages. So with the 1,000 heads, so Adisesha, Prithvi Miman, who supports the earth by holding it. Prithvi Miman, that is also Adisesha. He gives, other than the Mahamani gem, he gives a Naga Haram. A haram made of snakes. Naga Haram. Garland of snakes. The last one. Anyairapi cha surair devi. Anyairapi surair devi.
Anyairapi surair devi. Anyairapi surair devi.
Bhushanairayudaistatha.
Bhushanairayudaistatha. Bhushanairayudaistatha.
Anyairapi surair devi. Bhushanairayudaistatha.
Anyairapi surair devi. Bhushanairayudaistatha. Anyairapi surair devi. Bhushanairayudaistatha.
So other gods, I told you in the beginning itself, only 17 of the weapons were mentioned in this one gods. So this one maze which escapes is Anyairapi Surair Devi Bhushanair Ayudaistata. They give jewelry also as well as the weapons also. Other deities also contribute in giving weapons and jewelry to her. Now her form is complete. Now comes next word, okay? Sammanita Nanadochai.
Sammanita Nanadochai. Sammanita Nanadochai.
Sattahasam Muhurmuhuhu.
Sattahasam Muhurmuhuhu. Sattahasam Muhurmuhuhu.
Sammanita Nanadochai Sattahasam Muhurmuhuhu.
Sammanita Nanadochai.
Slowly, no problem. Say it again.
Sammanita Nanadochai Sattahasam Muhurmuhuhu. Sammanita Nanadochai Sattahasam Muhurmuhuhu.
Tasyanadena Ghorena.
Tasyanadena Ghorena. Tasyanadena Ghorena.
Kritsnamapuritam Nabaha.
Kritsnamapuritam Nabaha. कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः
तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः
तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः
सम्मानिताननादोच्चैः साट्टहासं मुहुर्मुहुः तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः
सम्मानिताननादोच्चैः साट्टहासं मुहुर्मुहुः तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः सम्मानिताननादोच्चैः साट्टहासं मुहुर्मुहुः तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः
Sammanita, this is how Devi was honored by each and every celestials present there. Okay. So what happened after she was honored like this with everything? Sattahasa muhur muhuhu. Uchchair. Uchchair means thunderously, loudly, very loudly. Sattahasam muhur. Again and again she was laughing thunderously. She was laughing thunderously. Sattahasam. Hasam means smiling. Sattahasam means loudly she is laughing. Again and again. Muhur muhu. Again and again she was laughing loudly. Tasya nadena gorena. This kind of terrible roar, nadam, it is not simple nadam, it is a roaring laughter. Gorena, it is terrible, it is. Kritsnama, that sound filled the entire sky. Kritsna means entire, Puritam means filled. The entire sky was filled by that roaring laughter. It was Goram, it is not normal Shantam, it is not. It is because she is like, Ghora Rupam she has taken. So that is the reason her laugh was a terrible roar and it filled the entire sky. Amayatati Mahata.
Amayatati Mahata. Amayatati Mahata.
Pratishabdo Mahanabhud.
प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत
अमायदाति महता प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत
अमायताति महता प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत अमायताति महता प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत
चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः
चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः
समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे
समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे
चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे
चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे
अमायदाति महता प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत् चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे
अमायताति
अमायताति महता
अमायताति महता प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत् चुक्षुभुः सकलालोकाः समुद्राश्च चकम्पिरे समुद्राश्च च कम्पिरे
Amayatati Mahata, this immeasurable sound. Ati Mahata, there is no comparison to that sound. Ati Mahata it was. Prati Shabdo, it was echoing everywhere. It was echoing everywhere. Chupchubu, that is why Chupchubu Sakala Loka. All the world started trembling and shaking. The sound made the entire world started shaking, trembling. Samudrascha chakampire. Chakampe also means shaking only. The ocean started shaking so badly, like a tsunami. It was like, getting churned. It was like, the world is shaking. They wanted to just give the intensity of the sound that she has been like, roaring noise we know. It is immeasurable. They are also using all kinds of adjective to say, like, to make us feel how roaring it was. So when the entire world was shaking and like a tremor, that earthquake that was happening, not only in the earth, the entire prapancham was shaking because of the sound that she was. Chachala. Next one. Na? Chachala vasudha chelu.
Chachala vasudha chelu. Chachala vasudha chelu.
Sakalascha mahidaraha.
Sakalascha mahidharaha. Sakalascha mahidharaha.
Chachala vasudha chelu. Sakalascha mahidharaha.
Chachala vasudha chelu. Sakalascha mahidharaha. Chachala vasudha chelu. Sakalascha mahidharaha.
Jayeti devascha mudha.
Jayeti devascha mudha. Jayeti devascha mudha.
Tamuchu simhavahini.
Tamuchu simhavahini. Tamuchu simhavahini.
Jayeti devascha mudha. Tamuchu simhavahini.
Jayeti devascha mudha. Tamuchu simhavahini. Jayeti devascha mudha. Tamuchu simhavahini.
Chachala vasudha chelu. Sakalascha mahidaraha. Jayeti devascha mudha. Tamuchu simhavahini.
Chachala vasudha chelu. Sakalascha mahidharaha. Jayeti devascha mudha. Tamuchu simhavahini. Chachala vasudha chelu. Sakalascha mahidharaha. Jayeti devascha mudha. Tamuchu simhavahini.
Chachala vasudha chelu. Vasudha is earth. The earth moved like as if it has got earthquake. Chachala means earthquake. Moving quickly when the earth actually during the earthquake uncontrollably quickly. It was moving. Cheluhu. Sakalascha mahid. Sakala means getting fragmented, getting into pieces. Mahidharaha. Mahidhara is the mountains. Mountains were getting fragmented. They are all breaking because of the sound of her laughter. Jayeti Deva. The Devas became very happy. Mudha means happiness. Jayeti. They are all shouting victory, victory. Jayeti Devascha Mudha. Out of happiness and joy, they were shouting victory. Tamuchu Simhavahini. Praised the Simhavahini, the one who is seated on the Simham. Vahini. Simhavahini is Devi here, who is seated on the Simham, on the lion. Tamuchu means praising her. So victory, victory, like out of joy they were all shouting victory, Jayati, Jayati. So, and then they praised Simhavahini. Tushtuvormunayaschainam.
Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Tushtuvormunayaschainam.
Bhakti namratmamurtayaha.
Bhakti namratmamurtayaha. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha.
Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha.
Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha. Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha.
Drishtva samastam samkshubdham.
Drishtva samastam sanshubdham. Drishtva samastam sanshubdham.
Trailokyamamararayaha.
Trailokyamamararayaha. Trailokyamamararayaha.
Drishtva samastam samkshubdham. Trailokyamamararayaha.
Drishtva samastam sanshubdham. Trailokyamamararayaha. Drishtva samastam sanshubdham. Trailokyamamararayaha.
Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha. Drishtva samastam samkshubdham. Trailokyamamararayaha.
Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha. Drishtva samastam sanshubdham. Trailokyamamararayaha. Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Bhakti namratmamurtayaha. Drishtva samastam sanshubdham. Trailokyamamararayaha.
Tushtuvormunayaschainam. Tushtu means satisfied. Tushta means satisfied. Munayaschainam. All the sages, saints were all very satisfied, happy, because they know now that she has come to save all of them also, along with the celestials. Because normally they come and play, only the demons come and harass all the sages. In all our stories we have heard that. No? So they are very happy, they are very satisfied. Okay, she has come to protect us. So what happened? Bhakti namratma murtaya. Anamrat murtaya. The body bowed down with devotion. They all do namaskaram to her, bowing down to her with devotion. Bhakti namratma murtaya. Not plainly falling down or bending forward, bowing. It is with devotion they did it. Drishtva samastam samkshubdham trailokyam amararayah. Amararayah, the enemies of the devas, celestials. Our great Mahishasura and his army. Drishtva samasta samkshubdham. They hear, they see the commotion that has happened. Because everything is shaking, the sound is coming from somewhere. The whole world is trilokyam, all the three worlds are shaking terribly. They see the upheaval that was happening. Who? The enemies of Amararayah, the enemies of celestials, devas. Sannadha kila sainyaste.
Sannadha kila sainyaste. Sannadha kila sainyaste.
Samuttasturudayudaha.
Samuttasturudayudaha. Samuttasturudayudaha.
Sannadha kila sainyaste. Samuttasturudayudaha.
सन्नद्धा किल सैन्यास्ते समुत्तस्तुरुदायुधाः सन्नद्धा किल सैन्यास्ते समुत्तस्तुरुदायुधाः
आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात्
आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात्
क्रोधात् okay what akimetaditi akimetad iti okay correct
Yes, correct. Where to
take a break akimetad akim etad idi kim etad idi what is this aha what is this that is what it is akim etad idi oh akimetad idi when you say it together okay krodhat and in anger akimedadidi krodhat
आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात्
आभाष्य महिषासुरः
आभाष्य महिषासुरः आभाष्य महिषासुरः
आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आभाष्य महिषासुरः
आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आभाष्य महिषासुरः आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आभाष्य महिषासुरः
सन्नद्धा किल सैन्यास्ते समुत्तस्तुरुदायुधाः आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आभाष्य महिषासुरः
सन्नद्धा किल सैन्यास्ते समुत्तस्तुरुदायुधाः आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आभाष्य महिषासुरः
surah not surah surah okay
सन्नद्धा किल सैन्यास्ते समुत्तस्तुरुदायुधाः आकिमेतदिति क्रोधात् आभाष्य महिषासुरः
Sannadha khila sainyasti. The sainyam immediately got ready. They rose up with all their weapons. Sannadha means getting ready. Samutta, they were all relaxing. Now they all rose up. Samutta udhayudha, with the uplifted arms. Udhayudaha. The Sainyam got ready first. Kimedaditi. Aha, what is happening? What is this sound? This is what? Abhashya, krodhat abhashya. In anger, it is not plain anger, it is wrath. In his anger, he was shouting abhashya. He was addressing his sena. Abhashya Mahishasura. Because he doesn't stop with that. Now he wants to go there and find out what is, from where the sound is coming. Because he was just relaxing. What these celestials cannot do anything. Now I am the ruler of the entire Prapancham, all the three worlds, and they are hiding somewhere. So now they are not relaxed now. So they all rose up with their arms. Sadadash abhyadhavadatam shabdham.
अभ्यधावततं शब्दम्
अशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः अभ्यधावततं शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः
अभ्यधावततं
शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः
अभ्यधावततं शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः
सददर्श ततो देवीम्
सददर्श ततो देवीम्
व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा
व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा
सददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा
सददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा सददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा
अभ्यधावदतां शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः सददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा
अभ्यगावत तं शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः सददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा अभ्यधावत तं शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः सददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा.
After shouting, what is this sound, where it is coming from, in his anger he gets ready. Abhyadhavata, immediately he gets ready to go. Abhyadhavata tam shabdam, where it is coming, where the sound is coming from. He is aseshair asurair vata. Without, all the asuras are surrounding him. Not even one is left behind. Aseshair, not even one is left behind. All the asuras surrounding him, he is going where the sound is abhyadhavata tam shabda, where the sound is coming from. He wanted to go and see. When he went to where the sound is coming, sadadarsha tatho devi vyapta lokatrayam tvisha. He saw Devi, her radiance spreading everywhere, all the three lokas. It is spreading everywhere. He sees, how much punya he must have done. No? To see her Virat Rupam like that, her radiance spreading, all the asuras get all the benefits. They get killed also by her or by them only. All the divine forces. No? So, he sees Satadarsha Tatho Devi, where he went, the sound he saw, Devi, her radiance spreading. Tvisha means, I told you, is brightness, radiance, spreading all the three worlds. Okay. Now it is his vision now, how he is seeing her. Okay. Pada krantya natabhuvam
पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम् पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम्
किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम्
किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम्
पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम् किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम्
पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम् किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम् पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम् किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम्.
Likhika. It is the second kha. Okay. Likhitambara. Padakrantyanatabuvam kiritollikhitambaram.
पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम् किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम् पादाक्रान्त्यानतभुवम् किरीटोल्लिखिताम्बराम्.
Chobhita Seshapathalam
क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम् क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम्
Dhanurjya Nisvanen Tam
धनुर्ज्यानिष्वनेन ताम् धनुर्ज्यानिष्वनेन ताम्
Chobhita Seshapathalam Dhanurjya Nisvanen Tam
क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम् धनुर्ज्या निष्वनेन ताम् क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम् धनुर्ज्या निस्वनेन ताम्
पादाक्रान्त्या नथ भुवम् किरीटो लिखिताम्बराम् क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम् धनुर्ज्या निस्वनेन ताम्
पादाक्रान्त्या नत भुवम् किरीटो लिखिताम्बराम् क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम् धनुर्ज्या निस्वनेन ताम् पादाक्रान्त्या नत भुवम् किरीटो लिखिताम्बराम् क्षोभिता शेषपातालाम् धनुर्ज्या निस्वनेन ताम्.
Padakrantya, her steps. Natha Bhuvam, it was bending the earth. She's so powerful when she is walking, the earth is bending. Padakrantya, Natha Bhuvam. Kirito Likhitambaram. Likhita means scraping. Kiritam, the crown that she is wearing, is scraping the sky. Ambara means sky. So it is her kiritam is, so she is full, like from earth to the sky she is. Like Virat Rupam it is. Kshobita Seshapatalam Dhanurjya Nisvanenada. Her Dhanusu she was wearing, the resonance of the Dhanusu. Kshobita means also shaking. Shaking even the Seshapatalam. All the nether worlds, it is shaking. That is where all the demons live, no? So that induces fear in them. So all the Pathalam, it is getting shaken by the resonance of her bowstring. We will do only the next line. With that, her description and this one, seeing her, is over. And then the war starts. War, we will start afterwards. Till that time, let the war be here. At least we can start it when we want it. Disho bhuja sahasrena.
दिशो भुज सहस्रेण दिशो भुज सहस्रेण
Samantad vyapta samsthitam.
समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम् समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम्
Disho bhuja sahasrena. Samantad vyapya samsthitam.
दिशो भुज सहस्रेण समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम् दिशो भुज सहस्रेण समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम्
Tatah pravavruते युद्धम्.
ततः प्रववृते युद्धम् ततः प्रववृते युद्धम्
तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम्.
तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम् तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम्
ततः प्रववृते युद्धम्. तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम्.
ततः प्रववृते युद्धम् तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम् ततः प्रववृते युद्धम् तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम्
दिशो भुजसहस्रेण समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम्. ततः प्रववृते युद्धम् तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम्.
दिशो भुजसहस्रेण समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम् ततः प्रववृते युद्धम् तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम् दिशो भुजसहस्रेण समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम् ततः प्रववृते युद्धम् तया देव्यासुरद्विषाम्
दिशो भुजसहस्रेण समन्ताद् व्याप्य संस्थितम्. She is standing there, samsthitam, she is standing there. When she is standing there, all her 1,000 arms, Bhuja Sahasra. It is penetrating the entire direction. Bhuja, Disho Bhuja. She is penetrating all the directions with her 1,000 arms. This is what Mahishasura is seeing. Then started Tataf Pravavrute Yuddham. Then started the battle between Devya, Suradvisham, between Devi and Suradvisham is the enemy of the celestials, the gods. Between the two of them, the battle started. We will stop here and we will continue the battle the next session. Okay. Now we will recite only once what we have learned today. Okay. Kshirodaschaamalam haramajare jadathambare chudamanim tata divyam kundale kakakani ja ardhachandram tata shubhram keyuran sarvabhushu nopurau vimalau tadvadgraiveyakamanuttamam anguliyakaratnani samastasvangulishu cha vishvakarma dadau tasyai parashum chati nirmalam अस्त्राण्यनेकरूपाणि तथा भेद्यं च दंशनम् अम्लानपङ्कजां मालां शिरस्युरसि चापराम् अददज्जलधिस्तस्यै पङ्कजं चातिशोभनम् हिमवान् वाहनं सिंहं रत्नानि विविधानि च ददावशून्यं सुरया पानपात्रं धनाधिपः शेषश्च सर्वनागेषु महामणिविभूषितम् नागहारं ददौ तस्यै दत्ते यः पृथिवीमिमाम् अन्यैरपि सुरैर्देवी भूषणैरायुधैस्तथा सम्मानिताननादोच्चैः साट्टहासं मुहुर्मुहुः तस्यानादेन घोरेण कृत्स्नमापूरितं नभः अमायतातिमहता प्रतिशब्दो महानभूत् चुक्षुभुः सकला लोकाः समुद्राश्च च कम्पिरे चचालवसुधा चेलुः सकलाश्च महीधराः जयेति देवाश्च मुदा तामूचो सिंहवाहिनीम् तुष्टुवुर्मुनयश्चैनाम् भक्तिनम्रात्ममूर्तयः दृष्ट्वा समस्तं संक्षुब्धं त्रैलोक्यममरारयः सन्नद्धा किल सैन्यास्ते समुत्तस्तुरुदायुधाः हाकिमेददिक्रोधादाभाष्य महिषासुरः अभ्यधावदतं शब्दमशेषैरसुरैर्वृतः स ददर्श ततो देवीं व्याप्तलोकत्रयां त्विषा पादाक्रान्त्या नतभुवं किरीटो लिखिताम्बरां क्षोभिता शेषपातालां धनुर्ज्या निस्वनेन ताम् दिशो भुजसहस्रेण समन्ताद्व्याप्य संस्थिताम् ततः प्रववृते युद्धं तया देव्या सुरद्विषा।